What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your guy, the 10X Closer, and I wanted to take a few minutes to share some credit secrets or tips with you guys because I'll be honest, it is sad the amount of people that have bad credit out there when they don't even have to have bad credit. It's ridiculous. So what I'm going to be doing is basically over the who knows how long, I'll just be giving you guys free tips and free gems to help you get your credit together. I am working on an ebook that I'm going to put together, and it's going to give you all this tricks and trades to fix your credit yourself, because everybody has bad credit. Nobody wants to pay to fix it, which is ridiculous. You guys buy BS before you pay to do what you need to do for yourself. And like I said, it's sad, the amount of people. But anyway, if you fall into that category, this is your chance to get it together. So, real quick tip. Let's say you have low scores, right? Let's say you have low scores due to high utilization. And one way to fix that is getting new credit. Now, you might be thinking, how do I get new credit if I already have bad credit? No one's going to give me credit. That's not necessarily true. I can get you access to a $10,000 credit line with bad credit. The link is in my bio. You can actually sign up with my Jewelers Club. And there's also Simplio, and I am going to have a link in my bio to where you can now get your rent payments reported. So you want to make sure you utilize all of those links and start getting your credit back together. So if you've been paying good on your rents for the past 2 years, why not get credit for it? Details in the bio. But going back to utilization, let's say, for instance, your scores are poor. However, you're trying to build your credit. You're trying to get your scores up, but it's just not working. What people don't realize is utilization plays a major role in your credit. So 30% of your score is based on the amount that you owe. So let's say, for instance, if you have a $5,000 credit line and you owe $4,500 on that credit line, you're at about 90% utilization. That is killing your FICO dramatically, right? So you figure you're stuck, in a tough situation. You have bad credit and you can't get new credit traditionally. And, how do you grow your score? Like I said, you open an account like my Jewelers Club. All right. What's going to happen once you get approved for that, you're going to get, let's say, that $10,000 line added to your credit profile. Now, you're not going to use that $10,000 line to actually go out and buy stuff. You're going to just need that on your credit. Of course, you're going to use it to, maybe purchase something small, and you're going to, pay it so they could start reporting to the credit bureau in terms of that purchase. Now, okay, let's say you have that $10,000 reporting on your credit profile. Now, that right there is dramatically going to increase your score, because now you took that 90% utilization down to a roughly 30% utilization, because first you had that $5,000 credit limit. Now you have a $15,000 credit limit with a $4,500 balance. That's going to leave you roughly in the 30% utilization range. That tip right there solely is going to boost your credit score dramatically, and put you in a position to get higher lines of credit in the future. So that's the tip of the day. Look out for the ebook. Like I said, go in my bio, sign up with the My Jewelers Club, sign up with the Simplio, and sign up with the rent reports. And start getting all of these positive lines reporting to your credit report or your credit profile. That's going to be some of the first steps on getting your credit scores up and getting your credit profile filled up, beefy. You don't want a thin credit profile because no one's going to ever extend credit to you. You're only going to get these baby secured credit cards and stuff like that. You're going to get nowhere fast with those things. While they may work, they help, but you want to get in a position to get higher lines of credit. So with that said, this message was brought to you by the Garage Billionaire Podcast and the 10X Closer. Stay tuned for the next tip, which we're going to talk about cleaning your personal information out, or cleaning it up on your credit profile. And once again, look out for that ebook. I'll let you guys know when that drops. Have a good day.